Alright, just located on our left hand side is the new water park, which opened last year, the one and only Volcano Bay at Universal Orlando Resort.
Can you come here for 10 days, Stu?
Right.
Can you come for 10 days?
So anyway, there's Volcano Bay, there's the main waterfall at the Volcano Bay area. Waterfall's still on, and of course, and there's Cabana Bay Hotel just right there. Of course, Volcano Bay replaced the good old Wet n Wild, which opened in 1977 as Orlando's first water park. Of course, the water park was so popular, and now Wet n Wild is now closed down, demolished, and is replaced by this. Anyway, there is the anyway, here is the Universal Orlando Resort, just right there, and there we are.